If you want a peaceful and free of noise birthday live stream, mommy, you can do it on the beach. Oh my God. Fonzie, why on the beach? Darna. No, Fonzie. It's too hard. It's too hard on the beach. The dog coming, the dog will come to me. Ay, nako, Fonzie, why on the beach? Maybe the entries will come to the beach. Fonzie, maybe the entries will come. Will fly on the beach. Huh? Maybe the paper will come to the beach. Darna.